But the big question is, what will happen this season? Just like this past winter, the El Nino pattern will have some effect. The trick is that El Nino is changing and weakening.
Well, right now the El Nino, which really peaked in January, is beginning to wane. And during this period in the Northern Hemisphere spring is when we often have the biggest impacts over North America.
Those impacts happen because the global wind circulation is changing, all thanks to El Nino getting weaker. Remember, El Nino refers to the warming of the water in the equatorial Pacific Ocean off the western coast of South America. The water there isn't as warm as it once was just months ago. This change in ocean temperature brings about changes to global wind pattern.
And so this is affecting a lot of the trade winds that go straight through the Midwest, and it's creating a lot of these differences and changes in precipitation.
Well, one of the characteristics of El Nino as it wanes is a very active subtropical jet stream coming out of Central America into the southern tier of the United States. And lately that's been mixing with very cold air out of the Arctic. And so we've seen extreme volatility across the Midwest, the Southeast, and the East Coast. All these punishing tornadoes are very characteristic of this El Nino in late winter and spring.
According to our local National Weather Service office, there's no notable increase in severe weather following strong El Nino winters. In fact, trends seem to indicate less severe weather events after some El Nino years.